live from Miss Cressman Misses You News. This is Miss Cressman speaking, telling you that she misses you. Today's news will include a weather forecast, a exercise video, some book recommendations, a book for you to read, and maybe even an experiment. Please join us in. Now to Claire Cressman, our live reporter for the weather.
Hello, this is Claire Cressman live reporting from Wadsworth, Ohio with the weather report. Today it is currently Earth Day, April 22nd here in Wadsworth, Ohio, and it is snowing. Tomorrow, April 23rd, the day that this will be broadcasted, it will be a high of 61 degrees, but right now we are at a whopping 38 degrees. This means that looking at the kinetic energy measures, there's going to be more kinetic energy tomorrow. If you are looking for something interesting to do, and I know that you have asked this question before, you can look up the conversions between Celsius and Fahrenheit. Bonus question, what is 38 degrees Fahrenheit in degrees Celsius? Use your calculations that you look up. Bye.
Thank you, Claire. All right, next we are going to go to Claire Cressman for the exercise tip of the day.
Hello, it's Miss Cressman live from Wadsworth, Ohio, reporting to you an exercise that you can do from home with a tree. So this is a pull-up. You're gonna need a branch that you can easily grip, find it with your parents, and then you just 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you try your best and you keep going. Goodbye.
Thanks, Miss Cressman. And now to Miss Cressman and Dad with an experiment.
Hi students, so we will be doing a science experiment today that is a volcano. To do this, we're going to be using the chemical ammonium dichromate, which is a compound. Now, you might be wondering what elements are in this compound. Well, lucky for us, there's a formula right here, and I hope you can read it, but it says NH4. If you remember what N is, it's nitrogen, H is hydrogen, and then we have Cr2O7. The Cr2 is chromium, and then the O is oxygen. So together that creates ammonium dichromate. This NH4 is the ammonium, and then the Cr2O7 is the dichromate. And you can think of di as meaning two, so there's two chromates, or two chromiums. So just some interesting stuff to note. Here we go. There's the ammonium dichromate. Ooh, look at that orange color.
Chrome gives it that color.
The chromium?
Yep.
It's a chromium that gives it that color.
So.
All right, so let's take this in terms of the rock cycle. So if we put a cover over this and this is underground, what we have here would be considered magma if it's underground. And then as it reaches the land, it becomes lava. Remember, lava land. Now, if it's underground and it starts to cool from the hot magma and it cools, it becomes intrusive igneous rock. And then once it reaches the land and it starts to cool, we call that extrusive igneous rock. Here we go.
Get closer. Get closer. Get way closer. This is all it's going to do. This is the growing. Get down low. And get over here. A lot of smoke. Get close.
That's the code. See the code button here? Magnify. It's a lava.
Thanks, Miss Cressman. And now to Miss Cressman with the science shoutout. Lastly, here is a science shoutout. We are going to highlight 2 famous female scientists who have contributed to the medical industry. These ones include Elizabeth Blackwell and Florence Nightingale. Both of them helped improve the hygiene practices that we have in hospitals today. Thank you for your contributions, and if you'd like to read more about them, you can read about them here, or you can find your own stuff online. Take care. Thank you for joining us. As always, students, you are missed. Take care and see you soon.